Greetings Multiverse! Doom Patrol Episode 3 Puppet Patrol. Okay, it seems like every episode is going to be something patrol as the title, and I like that. It's so utterly stupid and it totally fits with what's going on with Doom Patrol, which is one of the most meta, crazy, and just outright fun DC shows I've ever seen this side of Legends of Tomorrow. Even more so. Absolutely even more so than that. And they had a puppet episode. But I'm interested to see what this one's going to be about. Alan Tudyk's Mr. Nobody is proving himself one of the best DC villains I have ever seen on the TV screen. And I can't wait to watch this episode. So I'm going to get right on with it. Episode 3 of Doom Patrol, Puppet Patrol. Let's go. Hello, Crazy Jane, or whoever you are. Hammerpool Lecter. What a great name for hamster. Ah, have you seen this, Chief? Right. I love the show already. What episode? I already love the show. Not good. Ouch! Ouch! She's not a nice person. Yeah. It doesn't happen like that. In several ways, things don't happen like that.
Grid, show me security footage of Mom's lab 5 years ago. June 13th.
Wait, did he say just grid? He said grid, didn't he?
Grid.
He did.
Authenticate.
Whoa! Wait, what? Whoa!
Eric Morton.
How do you even get there?
The Brotherhood of Evil, supervillain team from the 1930s.
Wait, what?
What are we doing here? Where do you get toner for your butt printer?
Who died and made you team leader?
Everyone just shut up. Chief saved all your lives.
I love these
All the
guys.
keep looking. You'll figure something out.
Ah. See, yeah. What's it gonna be? Is it that bus again?
It's this left here.
Harry, I know where I'm going.
Where's the map?
They're driving to Paraguay in a bus.
You know what wins championships?
You're gonna kill us some of her driving. Not even close to Paraguay. Mr. Nobody isn't even narrating, it's already got meta.
Maybe if you weren't such an OCD alpha douche waffle, the negative spirit wouldn't treat you like one.
Ah, straight to the point and nailing it to the wall. Why is that so funny? That's the thumbnail.
I bet Aquaman never loses his keys.
2 minutes, Rita, then I'm taking it off the hinges.
Thank you, Robot Man. Wait, what?
Betty.
Paraguay.
Using magnet feet instead.
Why?
So I could walk up walls.
What?
Oh my god, it's here!
What is this? Oh, I love you, Club. Fuktopia. Notice I said that the correct way.
Welcome to Fuktopia.
Thank you.
Fuktopia? Fuktopia.
Thank you.
Spell it.
We're fine.
This phase the orientation is about to begin.
Scholar.
Orientation?
Oh no. Oh no. Ah! I didn't expect this to be the puppets. 3 hours later. Where did you get that from? Whoa. This is quite a cool puppet show.
Metahuman powers from other dimensions. Consultants are standing by to assist you.
What the heck?
We no longer accept Groupons.
The last thing I was expecting to say. Of course. Whoa. Okay. Did the energy thing inside kill them all? Wow, okay. What the heck?
To make your acquaintance.
What's with the puppets? It's not just a puppet show, is it?
I am Sturmbannführer von Fuchs.
Führer.
Do you like my puppets?
Oh, all the people are puppets as well.
Not for core persona inside your little menagerie.
Ooh. Ooh. Okay, interesting question there.
Wherever the hell you're going, send me a postcard, alright?
What if it's a trap? Ooh, that's lovely sound. Oh, wow. This is gonna be cool. Whoa. Oh.
Nazi fucks.
Oh. I love that one. That was my favourite. Exclamation mark. Oh. Wow! My God!
Life before you.
Oh, okay. There's more. About the other guy.
Was I supposed to be in here so long?
Whoa! Whoa!
Cool.
Ugh. Whoa! That's weird. That says a lot. Okay, another weird, twisted, and slightly emotional episode of Doom Patrol there. No sign of Alan Tudyk's Mr. Nobody or Timothy Dalton's Chief. A lot of weird, bizarre puppetry. One Nazi evil scientist genius type. What the heck? Oh, I do love this show. That was a little bit of a character episode anyway of the Doom Patrol, but specifically for Larry Traynor, but also a little bit for Elastorman and Cyborg as well. Also getting a bit of Robot Man, Cliff, and Crazy Jane as well, and it's all quite cool. I'm excited to see more of what's going to happen with this show. Where's it going to go next? What can they possibly do with this guy? It was just kind of the highlight of the show, apart from the puppets. I love this show. I really do. It's getting ridiculous, even more so, and I really, really like it. It's becoming a highlight of my week, along with Gotham. I love this show. But what do you guys think? Is this up to your high standards? Because it certainly was mine. A little bit less crazy than the first two episodes, but still pretty darn good. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought, and if you haven't already, subscribe to DC Comics Gamer for everything on Doom Patrol, Gotham, the worlds of DC, and everything like that. Thanks for watching, folks. Multiverse out.